Skipping is going on. Our students are playing with great concentration. We are waiting for the results of cockfight. Biscuit race from KG class, 20-meter biscuit race KG class and 10-meter race KG class will get ready. Students don't roam around. Joinul house, some students are playing in the ground. Go inside your house.
আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমাদের খুদে প্রতিযোগীরা চালিয়ে যাচ্ছে তাদের চেষ্টা, ধীর গতিতে তাদের পা চলছে। হয়তো কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যেই আমরা আমাদের বিজয়ীদের পেয়ে যাব।
Skipping is going on. 20-meter biscuit race KG class, 10-meter race KG class, get ready. After a 20-meter biscuit race and 10-meter race KG, 10-meter race play, cockfight 5 to 6. Cockfight students Safwan Sadat, Kashfik Al Hassan, Shariar Iqban Aryan. Come in the dais. Come in the dais. Safwan Sadat, Kashfik Al Hassan and Shariar Iqban Aryan. Come the